Now, the last thing which we'll be learning in today's session is how to embed Google Sheets on the Google Slides. The steps are very much same as we have done in the Google Doc, Google Slides. Open a computer. On a computer, open a site in new Google Sites. At the right click insert, select the Google Sheets you want to embed. Choose a file, insert. Going over here, remember there are two ways. First, I'll be going on the insert button. I'll be scrolling up over here. You will be able to see embed. I've already opened one of the Google Sheets where grade 5 roll numbers are written. I'll be selecting it, coming to the sites where URL is present, just copy paste it and insert it. So the first panel is very simple. Again, as I said you earlier also, if you think that it is too big, just reduce the size of the sheet. The second manner, how to do it? The second manner is very simple. Click on the insert button. Over here, you will be able to see sheets. Click on the sheets. We have to wait for the few seconds as said earlier also. If you remember the sheet name, you can directly type, you can directly search the sheet name from here, or else you have to wait for all the sheets to get loaded which are present on your Google Drive. I'm selecting one of the sheets as yes, it will be inserted within seconds. I'm just reducing the width of the Google Sheets and I'll be just dragging it at the top side by side. Which button we have to click? We have to click on the preview button. We have to click on the preview button just in order to see whether all the changes have been done or not. Yes, over here you are able to see Google Doc, over here Google Sites, and over here yes you are able to see the roll numbers and the PLC they or any other Excel Google sheet over there. So in this manner, we have inserted Google Doc, we have inserted Google Sites, we also have inserted Google Sheets. So likewise, any Google applications that are there can be incorporated or embedded onto the Google Sites.